Hello, this is Sandra Cho with Pointwealth Capital Management, and today I'm going to be going over December 2023. December closed out a strong fourth quarter for both stocks and bonds, with investors moving into 2024 relatively optimistic. The S&P 500 finished the month up over 4.9%, while the NASDAQ was up over 5.4%. Both indices closed out 2023 with 9 straight weeks of gains. International developed and emerging markets were also positive for December, coming in at 4% and 2% respectively. On the fixed income side, bonds continued their end-of-the-year run with the benchmark Barclays Agg up 3.5%. Several key pieces of data came out in December, leading investors to believe a Fed rate cut is on the horizon as early as March 2024. Although we believe cuts will likely happen later in the year. On the inflation front, the November CPI reading came in at 3.1% year over year, a slight improvement from October. Inflation has continued its downtrend and is tracking towards the Fed's long-term goal of 2%. Jobs remain resilient, with unemployment actually decreasing to 3.7% in November. Economists believe that 4% unemployment is the level needed to support a 2% inflation rate. Spending remains strong, with the American consumer continuing to surprise to the upside. November retail sales increased 0.3% after declining in October. This is a good sign, as consistent consumer spending will be key for the Fed to initiate a soft landing. Not surprisingly, the Fed decided to keep rates steady at their December meeting, while also indicating 3 rate cuts next year. With the 10-year Treasury yield under 3.9%, investors are optimistic as December comes to an end, but are careful to not call victory yet. Consider working with a financial professional to make sure your portfolio is properly diversified. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in January.